All right, question is, why is Lotus expensive? Well, you know, that's a relative statement. You know, with Lotus Nutrients, what we tried to do was cram as many components into as few bottles as possible. So when you say Lotus Nutrients is expensive, or if you say Lotus Nutrients is expensive, you're really not seeing the whole picture of what we've done in that product line and what to actually compare that to. So, you know, typical recipes for liquid nutrients can be anywhere from, 8 to 12 bottles worth of ingredients in late flour, as where Lotus is only 2 bottles, maybe 3 if you need the CalMag edition if you're doing cocoa. So what we have in that bottle compared to what other companies are doing in 12 bottles is really the comparison that we should be showing. And when you look at all of that in comparison, Lotus is actually very affordable.